In this video, we'll show you how to uninstall the YouTube app on any Android phone or tablet. So by default, as you may already know, YouTube doesn't give you any option to uninstall the app. All you get is this disable option. However, if you want to remove the app completely, it's possible to do so, but it will require some additional steps. First, you will need to enable the developer options on your phone. So first head to the settings app, scroll all the way down, and then tap on about phone. Here you will need to tap on software information. Now here you should see this build number. Simply tap on it multiple times rapidly and you will see this option to enable the developer options menu. Once you see this developer options menu is turned on, open the Play Store on your phone and download this Shizuku app. Open it. Now here you will need to select this pairing option right here. Now here tap on this notification options button. Now allow the app to show you notifications. Now go back to the previous menu and then tap on developer options button. Now in the developer options menu, scroll down and enable this USB debugging option. Now tap on OK. Now tap on wireless debugging option and tap on allow. Now tap on wireless debugging option again. Now here you will need to select this paired device with pairing code option. Now here you should see a 6-digit code. Now simply open the notifications panel, expand the Shizuku notification and then select enter pairing code option. Now enter the same code that you just saw. Once it says pairing successful, what you need to do is head to the Play Store again. Now this time search for the Kanta app. Now download and open the Kanta debloater app. Now here you should see a list of all the available apps on your Android phone including YouTube. Now all you have to do is tap on the search icon, find YouTube and then select this checkbox. Now here tap the trash icon at the bottom. Now here it will ask you for your permission. So first you will need to run the Shizuku service. So simply tap on this arrow. This will take you to the Shizuku app. Simply tap on the start option right here. Now wait for the process to run. Once it starts running, go back to the Kanta app and then allow the Kanta app to uninstall apps. Now here it will ask you for your permission. So simply tap on OK. And the YouTube app is now successfully removed. Now if I want to open YouTube, it's gone. If I want to get YouTube back at any point, all I have to do is return to the Kanta app, go to this uninstalled section, select the YouTube app and then tap on this reinstall icon. Once I have done this, the YouTube app should reappear. So as you can see, the YouTube app is now back. Similarly, you can use this method to uninstall any app that you like, be it Google, Play Store, Messages, Contacts or any other app. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.